The United States government is offering you a piece of land of your own.
We have our own land.
No, it's not yours. It's the U.S. government's.
Did they buy it?
No.
Did they trade for it?
It's not like that.
Then how can they own it?
He has a point.
If you accept our offer, you won't have to hunt buffalo anymore or roam the prairie. You can depend on your country to take care of you.
You are not my country.
Senator Crane has come here to offer your people a better way of life.
Better than what?
Better than what you have.
I like what I have.
I understand that. But your people live in the Stone Age. We live at the beginning of a great industrial revolution.
We will give you everything you need if you will just submit to living on a reservation.
We need nothing from you.
If you walk away from here without a deal, you are asking for war.
No. You ask for war.
You must think of your women and children.
I am thinking of them. How can I ask them to give up what they have for this? I have never seen such a dark, filthy place.
Listen to reason. Your people will be slaughtered.
As will yours. Be warned. We Cheyenne are plenty, and my braves are hungry for a good fight. My son had a vision. He will defeat your train.